Hello, this is a flood deck demonstration video. This is our main flood deck website, which uses flat design to speed up load time. The next section is the card channel. This section lets you search any channel ID you want to monitor. Each simulation model has its own channel ID. You need to log in first to see more details about those particular card channels. After you log in, the interface will change according to your device. The card with a circle blue icon is your own channel ID and it will be displayed at the top of the card channel. The other card is simply other user card channel. You could also view other people card channel. Let's view more details about our simulation model. This is the simulation model analytic panel where you can see every uh, currently what is the status of the simulation model. You can see its temperature, humidity, water level, and flow rate. And all of these are updated using cloud. And you can see right now, this is the sensor for each of the flow rate, the temperature and humidity, and also the water level. Let's get started with the simulation. When water is poured inside the water flow canal, it will measure the flow rate and it will determine the water current condition. Based on the water poured, it will determine how fast the water current actually is and how fast the water level could rise. Of course, we need to simulate rain by increasing the humidity. When it is raining, the picture will change according to the weather. Let's make the water rises to other level. If you decrease the humidity, it will detect it is not raining anymore, and the flood risk will change back to green, where it is safe. But if you increase back the humidity, it will change back to the current of flood risk, which is yellow. To finish it off, let's simulate the flood level risk, which is red. There also an advanced analytic where the teacher could use it to monitor whether their student are currently doing the simulation of the flood correctly or not. And you can see or they does not done it at all. So the advanced analytic is for the teacher more to the teacher side, and the teacher could monitor their student what they are doing correctly or not. And this is primarily for the student, but also the teacher could involve to teach them how to do it, explain to them the science behind it. So that is from me. Thank you for listening.